Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Differentiable is the key here because we need the choice for g of x that fits the graph's value and matching slope fast, step by step. Start by using the point where the pieces meet because differentiable means they connect cleanly first, so g has to match the function's actual value there before anything else works. Next, check the slope at x equals 4, because differentiable also means no sharp corner there, so the derivative from the graph must match g prime at that same point. When you compare both conditions, only one rule fits the value and the slope together, and that candidate is 1/8 x cubed. Well done! Option D, scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given information, and check steps so both value and slope agree.